We don't mess about here at Acklam. 1st of March 2023. There you have it. 23 registered. The reg that everybody wants. Just arrived. Borasco Grey D300 Dynamic SE Range Rover Sport. Price to sell. Registered today. Brand new on the road. With ebony and cloud interior. Contrasting black roof. 22-inch satin grey wheels. Just the right little extras to make the car sit and look tremendous. Now, Borasco Grey, I'd probably say from a retail point of view, has been our #1 selling colour. People are always asking for the colour, and I think if you look at the car online, it doesn't look like this colour on the Land Rover website. That looks more white. It's pastel-y grey, and even under our bright lights, it looks lighter than what it is. When it's outside, it looks really well. The car's a Dynamic SE, so you've got all the dynamic styling. You've got the little bits of bronze there. The wheels, upgraded wheels, 22-inch satin. They're in grey, new design wheel. They're in a matte grey colour. They're lovely. You've then got mud flaps. We've got the contrasting black roof, privacy glass on the back. And then as we move around the rear, I'm just going to lock the car actually, show you these lights. There you have it. That huge rear spoiler. You've got these beautiful new dynamic lights on the back, big rear diffuser in gloss black. Obviously the number plate is further down now, but this car's brand new. 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover Assist. Moving on inside now, there's lots of different colour combinations when ordering these cars new, and I think the lighter colours, and this one's called Ebony and Cloud, shows off the new model really well, and that's what I like about it. So I think black just blends all into one. So we've got this cloud, which is almost a white colour. You've then got the ebony, so I'll show you the two-tone. You've got Meridian speaker, you've got the new memory seats on the door cards. You've then got these 20-way electric heated seats. We've got a black roof lining with a sliding sunroof. So standard option on these cars is a glass roof, but it doesn't slide. Optional extra, tilt and slide sunroof. Steering wheel, you can see you've got the beautiful two-tone. It's stitched, it's lovely. It feels really luxurious, the steering wheel. You can just see the detailing and the contrast of the cloud and the ebony. Digital cockpit in front of us, which just comes out like that. Now, I'm just going to start the car up. Standard features. So a lot of the standard features on the new Sport are tremendous. And two are here. So we've got a heated steering wheel, which is standard. And you've got adaptive cruise control. That is standard. Seating positions, a little bit lower down on the new Sport, but they've raised this centre section up, which I like. And then you've got the big 13.1-inch screen in the centre with your full surround 3D camera system, as you can see, which is very, very usable. Let's put it back into park and back into our main menu. You've then got your digital climate control, your Android Auto. Moving up, internal blind, press the button. You can see the roof lining's ebony as well, which I think's just right. Sometimes when the roof lining's light on top as well, it can be too much, especially when you've got an ebony and cloud base of the car. Tilt, there we go, and slide. And then you have that sliding sunroof. Great option, I think, on a car, especially a Range Rover Sport. I think the key features for me, wheels and sunroof. I think they've got to have the right wheels, and you've got to have a sliding sunroof. You can see in the rear, you've got that cloud there, you've got rear electric seats. And what I also like about the rear, you can see the centre seat is done in black. So they've broken that up. The rear seats are all heated, and there's also more legroom in the new Sport in the back than the older models. Huge boot space, as you can see, and you can drop them seats down as well just by the press of them buttons there. There's also an air suspension button. So there we have, that is the 1st of March 2023, new registration number, Range Rover Sport, ready for sale. You can call me, you can reserve it, and you can come and collect it tomorrow. The number's on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching.